Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to mount our new premium rim sticker series. As you can see, there are 4 different rings, one for each wheel side. You need to also disassemble the wheels when mounting these stickers. Before you mount the rings, you need to properly clean the wheels with brake clean or an alcohol-based cleaner. Pull off half the background paper and try to find a good angle when you start the assembly. Once you've found a good angle, then peel off the rest of the background paper. It is no problem to lift and move the ring until you are satisfied. Make sure though that you have clean hands. Once applied, take out the hot air gun and set the heat on medium. Then heat the ring a few laps and start tapping the ring onto the rim. Then heat the ring a few more turns to further fit the decal on the rim. Repeat the process until the entire decal is folded down. Here's the result. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us.